Thank you for clicking. Today we're flipping a 2007 Toyota RAV4. Here it is. This will be the second RAV4, and this also was in an accident. So this rear end accident car has 180k miles. It is the front wheel drive version, and here is the damage. All right, so you guys can see it was a rear end. All right, but I am gonna let know the buyer that there is a rear end accident that happened with this car, and I'm gonna tell him to look under the car. So if you guys are not willing to pay the money, for this case, I'm not willing to pay the money because I don't need to fix it, because it doesn't affect the drivability, it doesn't affect the reliability, it doesn't affect anything with the car other than the storage compartment, which is right here. As you guys can see, it pops up just a slight bit. It doesn't affect the drive shaft, it doesn't affect anything. It is an audio system with the premium JBL sound system. But let me go ahead and show you the rear bumper to have a better idea on how this accident happened. All right, so it was a very minor accident. It just, you know, I probably hit it right there, and that's where the frame probably got bent right there. So at the time of this recording, I still have this RAV4, and I picked up the rear bumper brand new today. All right, so this was already painted. I ordered it brand spanking new from the website carparts.com, and I'm gonna go ahead and install this. So that's what I'm gonna do. So again, 180k miles, no mechanical issues, no transmission issues. Literally the only thing we're gonna have to do with this car is add a rear bumper. All right, so I put all the numbers on the screen. I won this car for $1,750, but with the fees and delivery and paying for the parts and paying for the paint and everything else, I'll put the total on the screen right now. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, do everything to show some love, guys. Join the journey of car flipping, and in hopes that I can motivate you to do something, to get up, to do anything and make money moves. All right, anyways, let's go ahead and apply this bumper. Let's go. Boom. 10 minutes later, the bumper is applied. All right, so next step is literally go out and take pictures. I'm gonna go to the park, I'm gonna post it up for 65. This is the V6 model, and these retail around from like 5k all the way to 7k. All right, so hopefully I can get a hit for 65, but most likely it will go for $6,000. all right, so let's go ahead and take it to the park. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm here at the park. I just got done taking pictures of this beautiful RAV4. All the pictures are on the screen that you can view right now. All right, so I did get this from Copart. They get delivered to me. All right, I don't go check them out of state or drive an hour. I literally have them delivered to my place. All right, so anyways, please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, do everything to show some love, and I'll see you guys when it comes to selling. Let's go. All right, so the RAV4 sold for $5,600 for over a profit of $2,000. All right, so that was a good profit with that car. Happy to say it. Still haven't sold my first RAV4, and I'm not gonna make any money with that. At least I don't think so. Yeah, so I'm just documenting every single car so you guys can see that it is doable. Watch my first video I posted about car flipping. I did not know what I was doing, all right, to be 100% honest with you. All right, but please leave a like, subscribe, hit the share button, leave any comments down below. I'll answer them all. Okay, DM me on Instagram, don't be shy, I'll answer every DM. all right, anyways, I see you guys in the next video, but peace.